Hey guys, this is Praveen. In today's video, we're gonna see about a problem in Leetcode, and this is called a valid parenthesis program. And I want to say something like every program or every problem will definitely fit into a data structure or algorithm that that were in the world. And in the programming world, there are many data structures and algorithms were there. If we found the correct data structure for the correct problem, then we can find a efficient solution. So for this problem also there is an excellent data structure, like it's a stack. I explained in the previous video about the stack. If you are not aware of that, you can see any material over there in internet. So we gonna use stack for solving this problem. So this problem is something like we just want to validate the parenthesis given, like it's in the form of string. If the parenthesis is valid, if it's valid means like you can see the two rules. Open brackets must be closed by the same type of closed brackets, and open brackets must be closed in the correct order. Okay, these are the rule. The second rule must be in the correct order means, like we can see this example, it's not in the correct order, so we return false. Because first we are opening the parenthesis, and we are opening a square braces, and we are not closing the square braces, but we are closing the parenthesis before closing the square braces, so it's not actually valid. So we just want to be like this. So if you open the braces, we must want to close that, and then only the second braces will be closed out. So this is valid, and then we have to check the outer braces. Okay, so if we check the lost value, as we check in stack, we can easily find it. So only we are using stack for this. So let's start the program. So we are not just actually doing the stack program or importing the stack program from anywhere. We are just using the Python list actually. So it can be used as stack if we use these two methods, like append and pop. So append will work as push in stack, and pop will work as same as in stack. The last element or the top element will be eliminated, and we are just creating a stack equal to normal Python list. You can give any name you want, because it's not actually a stack, we are just using a Python list, so we can give any name we want. Okay, I just give it as a stack. Okay, as we are using like a stack, so we need a dictionary like a match. So because we want to know what braces are opening braces and what braces are closing braces, what's corresponding braces are. So we just want a dictionary like this. Let me create it. So I just created the braces. So this is the match dictionary. So there is a detail, like this parenthesis will be this corresponding closed parenthesis. So for this opening parenthesis brackets, the corresponding bracket will be here, and for this Google, and this will be the correct closing set brackets maybe, so whatever we call it. And we are gonna use a for loop for this, for iterating through the string. The s is something like the string here. So the input string like this, it's called s here. So we are just iterating through it. So for each braces, we can say it as braces 2 for each brace in string. So we can iterate through it. If we see if we see an open brace, we just want to append it to the stack. This is the rule 1 we gonna use. So if how we can find the opening brace is something easy, because if the brace in match, it will be the opening brace, because we just need to see this key only. So if brace in match, it will definitely be the opening brace, because there is only 3 opening braces. If the brace in match, it will be the opening brace. So we just want to append it to stack. So stack dot append brace, yeah. And if not, else we want to else it will be definitely be the closed braces, because if open braces, we will skip this else part, because the if will execute. So if it reaches the else, it will definitely be the closed braces. So we want to check the stack's lost brace is the corresponding closed brace or not. Let me explain it here. Let's take an example like this. So first we are seeing the opening brace, this. So first we are seeing this opening brace, and we will append it to the stack. Then we are seeing the close brace. Okay, so before seeing the close brace, what we gonna do is here, if match of stack dot pop is not equal to brace, this is what's the condition is. If it's not equal to, then we will return false. Okay, so it's not this false, we want to give the caps so that it will be the boolean value. It's a Python syntax. Okay, if it's an open brace, we just append it to the stack. It's the first rule, it's clear. And if it's not open brace, it will definitely be the close brace, it will reach the this else condition. Then we have to check this. Okay, like it's a close brace, actually the second brace is close brace here. So we are getting the close brace here. Let me comment out here, we are getting the this close brace. Okay, so this close brace will be here. So match of stack dot pop, already in stack is this. Okay, already in stack it's there. The before loop we appended to the stack the first element, so already in stack. So stack dot pop what it will do, it will return this element. Okay, take this element out of the stack. Okay, it will make it empty. Okay, it will take it out. Let me just give it a space. It will take it out. Now the stack is empty. Okay, now the stack is empty, so it will take it out, and we are checking it to match. Okay, we are checking it to match. The corresponding match for this is this. Okay, so this element is this this word. Okay, so this element. Okay, the match of stack dot pop will be this element. So this not equal to the brace. Okay, the brace is here, now the current brace is here, so this is equal to here. Okay, now the stack is also empty. Okay, this is equal to here, so we are not returning the false. Okay, we are just skipping, so the next will go on. Okay, go on like this. This will also pass, this will also pass. So finally we break out of loop. Now we want to return true. Okay, return true only if the stack is empty. Okay, if it's not empty, like if there is any element, then it will not be in correct order, it may be like this. Okay, so it's not empty, it will be a problem. So we not returning true, actually we are returning stack's result. If stack is empty, it will return true. So true if stack is empty. If stack is empty, like stack is empty means not stack. Okay, if it's not stack, we return true. Okay, else we return false. Not stack means the stack is empty or not, so that's the meaning of the not stack. So we return true if not stack, else we return false. Okay, this is a problem. Okay, Okay, we want to check another one because we may get an error like something like if stack.pop, I'll say here stack.pop. If there is no element in stack, so if we are popping, it will raise an error. If there is no element, no such element, it's an empty list. So if there is no element, we are giving here stack.pop, it will raise an error. So we want to check if there is a stack. So here not stack will be here, not stack or okay. If not stack, like a stack is empty, we return we return false, and not return false, we just go on. If there is any element in stack only, we just doing stack.pop. Okay, doing stack.pop, yeah, it will go on like this. Okay, I pretty much explained all of the things here. So let me run the code. Okay, it passes the test cases. So let me submit it so that we can see all the test cases are passed or not. Yeah, it's passed all. So another one thing I need to say here, it's a simple solution is for this line. Okay, the simple code is like we don't have to give this else false or true. If we just want to give the not stack, it will return. If it's empty, it will return true, or it will return false. We just can give like this. Let me submit it again so that it's whether it's correct or not, we know. So it's correct, I said already. We just simplify the code here. So this is a famous problem that were asked in many big companies like FAANG or Facebook, Amazon, we can say anything like that. So if you practice, you can easily find out for which problem we want to, which data structure we want to use, which data structure you may find out. So if you practice more problems like this, you may use Leetcode for this. So link for this Leetcode website will be in my description, and also for this problem will be in description, and this solution will be in my GitHub, and the link for that will be also in description. Any suggestion like this, you can let me know in comment. And if you find any still flaw in code, or if you find any doubt regarding this, you can let me know in comment. So thanks for watching. Thank you.